What's going on, my boo? It is your girl Stacey Woo. Welcome back to my channel, and today I created this cool pink eye summer look. And if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. For those that are new, welcome to my channel. Do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss my upcoming uploads. But for my boos that are been here from day one, how are we liking the background? Is we liking the scenery? Is you feeling it? I'm feeling it. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into this makeup and jump right into this video. So first we're going to be starting off with face, and because I haven't been on here in a little minute, I'm going to be doing my entire face for you guys. First we're going to be priming the face. I've already moisturized my face, so we're going to be priming the face with the Fenty Beauty Pro filter. Ooh, my bad. And we just gonna be priming this face really quick. Okay, how have you guys been? Did you miss me? I miss y'all. It's only been a week, but I've been really trying to be consistent with my videos, and lately I'm gonna be jumping in with the NARS foundation real quick because I want to talk and catch up. If I don't say it, it will definitely be in the description, brushes and all. Okay, let me just get that straight. Okay, I just been chilling. I've been working on my new collections. I really miss you guys though. I miss you guys so much. So I'm so excited to be doing this video. But yes, fall collection is definitely coming, so stay tuned for that. But what else been going on? Just working, y'all. I just been really busy and working, and it is really hard sometimes to juggle both things because now I do this YouTube and I'm learning makeup, so sometimes it just be a lot, like with struggling with everything, trying to like do every single thing. And of course it decides to rain when I start doing my face, so if you hear the rain, the Lord is cleansing the earth. Okay, so yes, now we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty to conceal these eyes, and this is in the color 420. This is my favorite concealer, and this is the e.l.f. 16 Cameo, and this is in the color Deep Cinnamon. And this is one of my favorites because it's like this tone is like so litty on my skin. Dab it right there and put it like right here and put it right here. Now we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty, and this is a lighter shade. This is the color 350, and I'm gonna just be laying this just a little bit in the inner corner of my eye, like right here, giving a little teeny highlight. I like highlight, but not a lot. I used to dump it on my face back in the day. Just a little bit. All we just need is a little bit. Yeah. I've been working so hard for this clothing line that I have, me and my husband, because it's the fall. So that has really taken a lot of my time. But now, since I got a lot of things out the way, I'm able to really get into my videos, and then I got this little background set up or whatever, and I, you know, invested in some better material for you guys so you can really see this face. You feel what I'm saying? No more shooting on the phone, okay? Preparation takes time, you know? So I'm, you know, I don't know, but you know, we building this relationship and I'm loving it, okay? Blend that just like that. Blend that contour in really good, keeping it right there. Make sure I get all under those eyes. Oh, and how about I was just on Instagram and I see that Monica and Brandy is doing a versus. Now y'all already know, if don't nobody know me, know that I love Brandy. Oh my god, I used to get braids like her. Like, before I knew that you cannot worship idols and stuff like that, she was my idol back in the day. So I'm so excited to see. I know they're gonna bring all the good music in, so I'm gonna have my wine. Kids gonna be asleep. My daughter right there. And once I do that, I still go in with my beauty blender, especially anything that you did not blend in with the brush. I feel like this is like the guide for you. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm going to be taking the 3-Step Sculpt by NYX. Set that cream with some powder. That's all we doing. You know, anything that you put cream on, we already know we got to set it with the powder. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to be using the Fenty Beauty, and this is in the color Mocha Mommie. Bronze up them cheeks. Yeah. You feel me? Put a little bit everywhere. All right, so now we're going to be jumping into the Mineral Skin Finish by MAC. This is in the color Dark Deep. Set that whole foundation and everything. Okay, so now since we have that done, we're going to be baking the face. And lately, my favorite baking powder has been the e.l.f. This is the matte setting powder, and this is in the color Tan. Now, on some real stuff, this setting powder is like a sister to the Fenty Beauty e.l.f. setting powder, because that's one of my faves or whatever. But this right here, let me tell you something. This powder really sets your face so good. I don't bake all hard. I just basically set it in real good. e.l.f. is one of my fave lines, makeup lines anyway. All right, so now I am going to bake just a little bit. Just put a little bit because we're about to go into eyes. Just so if it fall, I can dust it off. So now we're going to be jumping into eyes. So I'm going to bring you guys a little bit closer. Okay, so with concealing these eyes real quick, I'm going to be jumping into the Plouise focus. There we go. And this is in the Rumor 5 base. And I'm going to be blending it in. Okay. I'm so excited to really be sharing this palette with you guys, and it is the Carnival Pro palette by Stacey Marie. Oh my god, I've been wanting this palette for the longest. I'm so excited that I finally got this palette. I've been waiting forever. Bought this joint in July. Okay, it's August. Okay, we're going to be jumping into Pep Talk. We're going to use Pep Talk as our transition shade, and we're just going to be layering that in the crease. And I haven't did a pink look in a while. I've been wanting to do a pink look, so I said let me do a pink look. I think lately my favorite kind of looks has been like more of like nudes and greens and blues, and I'm like, let me get some pink up in here. All right, so now since I have that down, we're going to be jumping into a little more pink, and we're going to be jumping into this Funky, that right there, and just putting that right here in the crease, like basically tapping it but then just bringing it over. As you can see, just keeping it right here in the crease. Even though I really love the summer, I'm so excited for the fall. I'm really excited to see how this virtual thing gonna go, as far as, you know, kids going to school and stuff like that. But I'm really excited to see, you know, how things are really gonna go. You know what I'm saying? Then just take that other brush, but still put product on the brush. I noticed that it's not good to not put product on the brush because you just blending your stuff out. All right, now since I have that down, I'm going to be jumping into this a little bit darker pink, and it is the color Lust. This pink right here. I'm going to be taking that, and I'm going to be laying that over my entire lid just like this. I put some tape on the side because I want to give myself just a tiny wing. This is a Wet n Wild liner, and this is just a regular black liner. Now since we have that down, you know, really quick, I'm going to run through these eyebrows. And then I'm going to jump into the Danessa Myrix, this right here. And this is in the color Romance. This is her color fix. Lay it right there on the brow bone. Definitely cute for the inner corner. Okay, so under the eye, I'm going to use this blue ColourPop eyeliner. And this is in the color Prance. I'm going to touch into Soft Spot, this blue right there. And now I'm going to take some mascara and prep for lashes. All right, so I jumped on my little outfit because my camera died while I was putting on my lashes and also highlighting myself with my petunia. So I already highlighted. So now we're going to jump real quick into lip. And for lip, I'm going to be taking the Trendsetter. Just like that. And now I'm going to just be taking the Tiana Teller Good Morning, okay? Also, I'm going to be jumping into my Morphe, and this is in the color Chill. All right, so now, since I have that down, I want to do a little bit of blush. Should I do a little bit of blush? You think? Yeah, just a little teeny bit. I be going overboard with my blush though. I be going overboard. So we're going to jump into the NYX. This is my fave, Sweet Cheeks. I be loving this little blush. And then we're going to take the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray and we're going to spray this face. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, do not forget to drop me down a little pink heart down below. And also do not forget to smash that like button. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And make sure you hit that notification bell button too, because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos, okay? So with that being said, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see you boo in my next video. Mwah. Peace.